2 decades, we've been presenting an award to the resident who we dragged screaming and kicking into the OB floor. Just a little bit about the Tiny Steps program. The Tiny Steps program started about 25 years ago, and it came out of a need for reform in Delaware for the inner city, because the rate of preterm labor and low birth weight outcomes were much higher than the national average. And back then, when no one was talking about diversity, there was a larger proportion of African Americans who were almost double the national average, being born preterm or being born with infant mortality. So Nella Fucci, who was a resident here back in the early 90s, started the program, and it's really about putting the inner city patients in the center of primary care. So it was primary care physicians who were doing obstetrics, and so they could take care of patients not only during their prenatal care, but in between pregnancies. And this allowed them to, the physician to know the patient and then also take care of them during their prenatal care, and it worked